Yep.
Hi, this is Bob at Abbeon. Today I'd like to demonstrate for you our mini electronic welder. The mini electronic is a convenient lightweight welder, especially for those that are going to be doing a lot of welding during the day because it is so lightweight. I can grip it easily either this way or this way depending on the angle that I need to weld. It can be used with an industrial, like a compressed air source, if the compressed air source has a filter and a regulator on it. Otherwise we do sell it with a blower. Now in this particular case, and this is a 9-foot hose on the blower. This unit can also be used for industrial heat processes if you want, but in this particular case we're going to be welding with it today. I'm going to do a little demonstration weld. What I've got on here right now is an adapter tip and a push-on tacking tip. So there are push-on or threaded tips. What I'd like to show you today is I've got a bin here. We're gonna weld a patch over a hole in the bin and fix the bin. First of all, the material of the patch must be the same as the bin itself. So if it's HDPE, I need an HDPE patch. After I tack weld it, I'm going to come back and I'm going to use my speed welding tip. Now this, we'll just replace it, of course using these because it'll be hot. We'll put the speed welding tip on, and then I'm going to use my welding rod. Again, HDPE rod for an HDPE bin and patch. So when I turn the blower on, first of all you always have to have the air flowing through before you turn the heat on the unit. So we're going to turn the blower on. There's a little switch, and this little switch is my heat on-off switch. So after I get the air flowing, I'm going to turn this switch to on, and that will allow me to then adjust the temperature here on the dial. So I can. The nice part about this little switch at the base is when I'm done doing my weld, instead of turning the temperature back down again, I can just hit this switch and that'll turn the heater off and allow the air to keep flowing over the element, which cools it down and makes it the element last longer. So we're going to go ahead and start the demonstration. I'll turn on my blower. That'll keep the air flowing out. And then I'm going to turn on the heat switch and then adjust my temperature. So we're going to start with a tack weld. I'm going to tack weld the piece on and then come back and apply the welding rod. Okay, so you can see the piece is on there, it's not moving. So now I'm going to switch my tip and use my pliers here. This is a convenient part of push-on tips. You can easily replace them. With the threaded tips, you'd have to unthread it and put on the speed welding tip, thread it back in again. Now the air is blowing through the bottom, and we're going to put our rod in through the top hole, which will then heat both the base material and the rod while we weld it together. And as I'm moving, I'm pushing the rod through. And thank you for joining us today for our demonstration. If you have any questions, please give us a call. To find these products online, please visit us at www.abbeon.com. That's ABBEON.com. Thanks.